Hey everybody, here's a quick video on a cool site I discovered, and their name is mycasebuilder.com. This company makes lots and lots of customizable cases. You name it, they can make it. And what they do is customize the foam within a case so that the shape of your gear is perfectly matched to the foam cutout. And it's really quite amazing what they do. And for that reason alone, I felt compelled to share this video with you all. Here's a sample of the cases that they make. Here's an example of customized foam cutouts that they've made for camera gear. And here's another one here. And here again is a foam cutout case for camera gear. Here, the foam was custom cut to fit a certain type of weapon along with the magazines. Here's a case for competition pistols. This foam case here was designed specifically for the DJI Maverick drone. And here's another custom cut drone case. Now, the real magic comes when you yourself are able to design and custom make your own foam cutout designs. This, I have found out, is a very empowering process, especially for someone like myself who is a gear geek. Now, you can custom make your own foam cutouts by using their online software, and let's get right into that. You basically start out by choosing your specific case, and they have hundreds to choose from. All the major brands are here. Just choose your case, and that'll get you started. Now, keep in mind, you can buy both the case and the customized foam, or if you already own a particular case, you can just design the customized foam to your specific case and purchase just the foam insert itself. And you can choose that option when you check out. Now, the first thing you notice is that mycasebuilder.com has a library of shapes. If you click here, you can then begin a search for a specific template. For example, I'll type in Glock 17. And here they are. Now, once I decide which one is right for me, I can simply add it onto my schematic drawing like this. Now, I'll type in Glock 17 magazine. And here they are. Once again, from here, I can simply add it to my schematic with one click. Now, as you can see here, I can also drag it to whatever place I want within the schematic itself. Now, if I want to duplicate something, I can simply clone it here. And then again, I can arrange the duplicate wherever I want on the schematic. Now, if I want to change the orientation of an object, I can do it here by pressing mirror like this. Or flip like this. Or you can simply press and hold the toggle button here, and you can drag it in any angle you want. Now, probably the biggest question for you is this: what if I do not find the tool I'm looking for in their library? No problem. Casebuilder.com allows users to actually upload a photo of their item onto the online system, and from there the online system will digitally trace an outline of the item to its exact dimensions. Pretty neat, huh? Let me show you how that's done. First off, when you take the photo, make sure that you're in a well-lit area. Also, make sure that you're directly over the object that you're photographing at a 90-degree angle. If not, you may create imperfections to the shape by the angle that you're shooting it at. After that, upload the image onto Microsoft PowerPoint. From there, you can remove the background. Let me show you how to do this. You can do this by first going to the Remove Background button right here, then pull the tabs outward until you get a clean image. When you're satisfied, press Save Changes here. Now, from here, simply save the photo as a PNG file. This is very, very important because a PNG file is preferred over a JPEG file, simply because once you upload the PNG file, it will automatically trace a perfect outline. Now, time to upload our PNG image onto the online system. So once again, we are on the system software here. Simply go to the photo tracer, which is this button here, and then press Trace a Photo right here. At this point, you can search on your computer for the PNG photo you want. Once you find it, click on it and it will appear on the online system software. From here, merely slide this button here to the left until you're satisfied with the cleanness of the outline. Let's go ahead and do that right now. I'll do it in slow motion. Now, when you're satisfied with the outline, then press this button here, which says Continue to Next Step. Now, this is a very important step. The software is going to ask you here to indicate the exact length of the object. In this case, my Glock is 8.87 inches. The software wants the number in decimals. So if you're measuring with a ruler in inches, just go to Google and type in 8 3/4 inches in decimals, and it will immediately give you the decimal equivalent. And type that in here. Now, the software wants the depth of the item. That is, how deep will the item sit inside the foam? My Glock measures 1.125 inches. So you type that in here where it says depth. And that's it. You're all done. Just press Create Shape. And there you go. You now have a custom foam template that you designed totally from scratch. Now, from here you can move it anywhere on the schematic. You can flip it, or you can mirror it, or you can do whatever you want. Now, let's go ahead and put some finger notches on this. And there you go. Now let's see how this looks in 3D. And for that, we just push the 3D button here. And in this view, you can really see exactly how your custom foam will turn out. You can really get a feel for the depths that you've specified and how everything is laid out. Now, here's a case that I actually had made by mycasebuilder.com, and I sort of had this made as a test run just to see what kind of work they do. After all, this case here was cheap, around 25 bucks, so it was no biggie, and then the foam was another 10 bucks, so I went ahead and did it. Moreover, I actually needed a small case just like this for my pistol classes, so it all worked out. And as you can see here, I used polyurethane foam, which is a closed cell foam, and this is recommended as a more durable option. So what do you think, guys? Does it look awesome? I think it does. And as you can see here, my Glock 17 fits perfectly. I couldn't be happier. Now, if somehow you mess up and your design doesn't fit the item that you had in mind, fear not, because mycasebuilder.com has a very cheap $8 insurance policy that you can buy at checkout, which means that you can simply redo your project at no additional cost. Simply submit your new design and they'll send you out a new foam cutout. Okay, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is yours truly signing off.